Hello. How y'all doing? This is Kay, and I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to like the button and ask a question in the comment section. So today I'm going to show you how to find government contracts in the city of New York, not the state of New York. This is the city of New York. And New York is a big city, and there's lots of business opportunities for those in New York. So I will put the link of where to find these contracts in the description. As you can see, they have multiple contracts for right here. This is city from the city university. Um, so the city university is requesting some work to be done. This is housing authority, boiler replacement. There's a whole bunch. Environmental protection. So we're gonna break it down. Let's see if we can find something. Um, Let me see. So let's look at children's services, which is something that I'm in. So okay, there's nothing for children's services. So let's find. Let me see something I can think of. So here's a list of departments in New York City that would need, that if you have a certain type of business, you can find something. Let's say mental health. So let's find something in mental health. All right, there you go. Spray and neutered services, um, justice involvement support in housing, school-based health center services. Um, there's a whole bunch. So let's just click on this one. Let's see what this is and how much it is. All right, so here's the section. We say procurement, the agency providing the contract, the category human services. So you have to read. Um, you have to read the description. It doesn't show. I think you have to sign in. So you have to sign in order to get more information about it. So this is a description. New York continue to seek proposal for the school-based health centers for proposals through passport systems. Means blah 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 blah. If you don't have a passport, yeah, I think you have to register online, but you get the point. Um, let's see. Let's take a look at others. Um, let's keep going down to. They have a lot of departments in New York. I'm just trying to find something. Let's see. Let's look at the police department. Okay, none for the police department. Let's look at let's see, veteran services. Anything for veteran services? Oh, nothing for veteran services. Okay. Transportation, DOT. All right. They have 13 contracts here available for transportation, traffic signal safety projects, pavement markings in the 5 boroughs of New York's. So you have to make sure you look at the date, the end date. Actually, this is the date that it was issued. You can see they have a whole bunch of contracts. They have a lot of contracts. You can look in for anything in your industry. You will find something. You will find something. Let's see. Let's see what else we can take a look at. Let me see something like. I thought I saw hospital earlier. Okay, let's look at homeless service. Okay, so they have two. Maintenance and repair for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. So it's due by next month. Okay, so they have an attachment here that we can look at. So let me share my screen. I'm just curious to see how much it is. So you have to download all this information. Sometimes they don't put the amount in the description box. You just have to look for it. I'm just trying to find something. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. But this is where you find government contracts in New York City. You just have to keep looking. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please email me a comment in the comment section, and I'll catch you again on my next video. Peace.